and welcome back to my channel, my beautiful subscribers. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick removal because I've got a bit of makeup still left over that I just want to get rid of. This is going to be a really quick removal. It's not going to be anything too, like flashy. It's just going to be really quick. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply the simple facial gel wash, and this would remove the rest of my makeup, and this is dermatologically tested. And then I'm going to use the Sugar and Sour Orange Scrub. If you want to know more about this product, I've done a full review about it on my channel, but I didn't actually put it on my face. I'm going to try that today. The reason why I'm going to do a scrub is because I've realised that my face is darker in some areas, and I've been getting a lot of spots lately, so I'm going to see what this will do. If you do your research, this actually says body scrub, but I know members of my family that have applied it to their face and they've got sensitive skin and it hasn't done anything like bad to their face whatsoever. So I'm just going to go in, apply my mineral gel face wash. Guys, that wasn't me, I promise you that was the bottle. That actually did sound like I farted. Oh, what a red flag. But sometimes I find when I do use wipes, it literally sucks everything out of my face. Literally everything. I find that wipes is just sometimes a bit too, even if it's makeup wipes, it still leaves the face so dry. So sometimes this technique makes everything just, a bit easier. And then I'm going to go in and use this. This is a more rough material, and this will definitely remove any excess dirt, makeup, anything that my face has caught onto in the day. I'm gonna go ahead and use cold water. Oh, so cold. Ooh. Guys, you know when you can just feel a spot coming up? And what I'm going to do is, after I've done this, I'm going to go ahead and use my magic tool to apply the scrub. And if you want to know where I got this from, I got this from Superdrug. I can't exactly remember, I think it's about, I don't know, £9, I can't remember. Guys, it feels so good being applied to my face, and as I said, I can feel some spots coming out, and it's really irritating me, the spots. But this face scrub will prevent them surely. It feels so good going onto my skin. And it's got a really nice orange smell. It's a sugar and sour orange scrub. And especially the nose, because the nose down, there's a lot of whiteheads and blackheads. And around the mouth and the chin. And you can see my skin just starting to clear up right before your eyes, which is absolutely amazing. Can I feel burning? No. But I can really feel it penetrating through my skin. And it feels absolutely so good, guys. So good. So I'm going to leave this on my face for about, I would say 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll be right back with you. Let it do its work. I'm going to get my hands, my fingers, and just, you know, lather it in a bit more. Guys, it feels so good. You can use both hands, or you could use one hand, like what I'm doing. It's just your personal preference. And then there we go. I'm going to leave it to set. So guys, it's been 15 minutes. I'm now going to go ahead and wipe it off so you can see the difference yourself. My skin does look a bit red and irritated, but trust me, it is not. I'm just going to carry on removing it. So can you see how my skin just looks more brighter and radiant? And that is the job of a scrub. Now guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm going to take some closer up pictures for you to see my skin, because you might not be able to see it like closer up. I'm going to take some pictures and let you guys know, so you guys can see the difference with your own eyes. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Subscribe.